Okay, sorry guys. This is a serious note. Look at this. This is gonna be crazy for you guys. So I recently made a video about this, but I slipped, fell, and deleted it on accident. So I gotta start over. So what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna vlog the flood again, but this time it's actually happening. So before I show you, please pray that, please pray that this does not flood. Over to our campsite in 3, 2, 1. Yes guys, the water is this close. Yeah, it is this close, you guys. And this is ridiculous. Like, it was not this high last time. Like, I actually think it's getting higher. I don't know. I hope it stops, because if it goes over here, then it's over. Like, this part's gonna be flooded. These campsites are gonna be over. So I said I'd get an aerial view last video, which I totally accidentally deleted. I'll give you guys an aerial view without climbing up that stupid hill, because it was muddy and I got my good shoes all muddy. So it's like, thanks, but you gotta do it for the vlogs, don't you? The vlogs count. And I noticed Twin Tubers comment. I will leave their video I will leave their channel in the description below. Please start making videos. I miss them. And don't delete all your content. That's just like, even though you may not have the quality, I'm filming with my camera. It's an S6 and that's all I need. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna be freaked out if you see the aerial view right now. It's like a hill, big hill view. Oh yeah, I'll show you guys what banks are out. So here's what, I'm not all the way up, I still got that much. Oh crap, dang it, that was my good shoes. I gotta get home soon. Yeah, I gotta get home soon. I gotta check something first. Oh, okay, you guys, so this is the view. This is the river, and you can see that's supposed to be the bank where it stops. And don't mind the wind if you can hear me, please. Thank you. I really want to throw my phone down there, but that'd be extremely stupid of me. Comment down below if you guys have gotten any rain. And one more thing, I thank you for the 14 subscribers. I do not owe the credit to me, I owe the credit to you guys, the Wolf Pack. And yes, I'm going to start calling you guys now the Wolf Pack, since there's enough of you guys. Now, I will be awesome when I can see the day when we hit 100 or 100,000. That would be really cool, but I can't do that if you don't subscribe. So, subscribe. This is not the end of the video, by the way. I'm still got a time to vlog. Subscribe. Promise to subscribe. Why wouldn't you want to subscribe? And now I gotta be careful I don't slip. I think I got a tactic. Okay, so if we do need a hotel, I mean, there's a hotel right here. So, whoa. See what I mean, guys? It's slippery. I just about slipped. I gotta make sure I do not slip now because I'm gonna kill myself. And probably, I have my book bag on it because I just got home like 20 minutes ago. Yeah, guys, so basically you're gonna have to pray because I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know. But I pray, I know that God has his hands on me, and he has, like, he's watching over us, and he knows what's going to happen. But a lot of times, you can't just say, God, I want you to do this, and it happens. Like, it's, I don't know how to explain it, but this is crazy because it's never gotten this high before. And, like, last time, well, I guess the campsites, there's like maybe 2 parts underwater, but other than that, the last time there's a lot more underwater. The river's a lot higher than it was last time, though. I'm really surprised. I thought it was a lot worse last time. Luckily, nothing has flooded out yet. But, obviously, there's one campsite that's like almost completely underwater right here. I don't know about our campsite, but... And yes, you guys, I'm going back home. Then you get started on my homework. And, oh, and comment below what grade you're in and where. Like, I go to school at Northview Academy, Sevierville, Tennessee, or Kodak, Tennessee. I don't know what they go by. But search it up online, Northview Academy, Northview Senior Academy, or Junior Academy, either way. It's a really good school, just some of the teachers can be grouches because they get grouchy. The heck? Oh my gosh. My parents aren't going to be home for like another 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Her campsite's pretty much underwater. Our campsite has water in front of it, but luckily it's just has water in front of it. I don't know about our sewage system. This is like the same thing that happened. Only it was a lot worse. Like, all this was underwater. That's bad. I mean, it got over in a few days. But I gotta be careful so I don't get anything wet. That's bad, you guys. Like, we could seriously have to evacuate. Hey, Ethan! Where are you at? Okay, well, I'm vlogging, so... Yeah, just a heads up for him. Okay. This is crazy. Dude, the river is so flippin' high. Ethan, I'm vlogging. Kid appropriate. I gotta put the camera down for a second. Like, as in, like, it wasn't as high as last time. Like, it's almost over the banks. Oh. And there's, like, water in front of our campsite. That makes it better. I know. I was here before you. Yeah. You guys, it's bad. So, you need to pray for us and make sure our campsite doesn't flood and pray that we know God has our hands, but we don't know if it's going to flood or not. So, hope you enjoyed this little vlog. I know I'm ending it right now, but I mean, I'll keep you guys updated. So if I don't know if I'm going to upload this yet, but I will keep you guys updated video-wise. If something does happen, I will make another video if it does happen. So, yeah. Yeah, there's him.
And for now, just remember, yes, him, not you, him, well, I guess all of you are lone wolves.
The wolf pack. I decided that.
Yeah. You are the wolf pack. Everybody's in the wolf pack.
Yes.
You're welcome to join the wolf pack.
So, be you, be everything, and
be brave.
Yes, and see you guys later.